Hello everyone, I am Nitish Kumar Bree from EC Department Second Year. My topic is about 555 Timer IC. Whereas 555 Timer IC is used as a delay timer IC. So let's see about what is 555 Timer IC. The 555 Timer IC is a one type of IC. It is used in electronic circuits and LICs. This is a chip. It's a small type of chip, but its useful is very important because it is used in oscillation, pulse generation. Because it's low cost and it is mostly used in electronics. Everywhere. So we see about it. What is happening? Next, we are going to see about IR controlled 555 ISO delay timing. So what is IR? IR is infrared. It is used in three types. Okay, it's used in three types: IR transmission, modulated signals, and IR receivers. First, see about IR transmission. It's a transmission. It is used as a transmission because in traffic light also using red light. It has a wavelength, so it is used in transmission. So infrared, it controls infrared light to transmit signals between a remote control and the device. Here we are using remote. So it is using infrared light. Okay, it's using for transmission. Next, it is used as modulated signals. The IR remote controls transmit modulated signals, encoding the desired commands. It is used as modulated signals. So 555 circuit, it also used to decode the signals and encode the signals. And it's also used as IR receivers. It is also used in transmission as well as receivers. In receiver, it is a component as it is used as a remote control device. What it helps to, it converts light signals into electric impulses. In receiver, what happens means it converts a light signal into electrical impulse, which can be interpreted by the control unit. So now we are going to how we can design a circuit for IR control delay. So we need three components. What is input voltage, IR receiver integration, and timing components. Whereas in input voltage, Ne555 Timer Ic requires a suitable input voltage. Input voltage range from 4.5 to 15 volt. It ensures the stable operation. And receiver integration. It uses a receiver module, allowing any 555 timer IC to interpret an infrared to control signals from the remote. Receiver integration. Whereas timing components, timing components are resistors, capacitors, which helps to set the delay timing for the components. And this is a circuit diagram for the 555 IC timer. Next, appropriate components. What are the components we need to components we need to make the IR controlled 555 delay timer IC? So 555 timer IC and receiver module, resistor, capacitor, power supply. We are using 555 timer IC is the main component responsible for generating the output signal. A receiver module, what is the purpose of receiver module? Is used to control, whereas used to convert the light signal into a electrical impulse. Whereas resistor and capacitor used to set the delay timing. Power supply, external power supply is necessary for doing this project. Okay, next, delay time. Three timing components: variable resistor and digital programming. Delay time timer circuit is determined by the as I already said that the resistors and capacitors plays a major value for setting the time delay. So timing component, variable resistor. Using a variable resistor like potentiometer is used to vary the resistance and change the timing. Okay, wow. Next, digital programming means for any precise control, the delay time can be programmed digitally by using a microcontroller. Okay, wow. Next. Yeah, it is implementing is in a remote. We are daily usages remote. In TV remote we are using. What is the purpose? Remote control transmission. The user presses a remote control transmission means when the user us using the remote, we are pressing the remote. It transmits as an IR light, which is received by the detector in the it is received by the IR receiver detection. So it receives the electrical light signal and it converts the light signal into electrical signal circuit, and then the circuit will activate. Any 555 timer circuit interprets the received signal and activates the desired functionality. It interprets the signal and it activates the functionality and executes the time sequence. Next, and testing and troubleshooting the circuit. Power supply verification. It is very important because we are giving the external power supply. It is how we have to check what, because we have already said that 4.5 to 15 volt is a major power supply which is used to stable concept. Okay, next, timing component and IR receiver function is already as explained. Next, and not only in IR control, it is also used in some other applications like home automation. In today's modern technology world, as we are running is a modern world, so it is used in turning on lights, activating security systems after a preset time delay, as we set a certain time delay. After that, as alarm will ring. Okay, and industrial timing. In industrial timing, any 555 timer used to set the machinery startup, material handling, and quality control checks. And hobby electronics means as who are enthusiasts in the electronics field. However, they can do their projects and mainly in audio equipment or even simple robot control system, which is used to in many fields. As I expect everyone has understood about IR controlled receiver circuit, and thank you.